Every morning is a happy invitation, which makes my life in Yunnan as simple as nature's own. Suddenly, a beautiful voice of the instrument came from the horizon. Like from the mountains and from the forest. I heard the sound of silk and bamboo. I see the dance of the nation. See the sunset. See the purity. See the picture scroll of the Hani people cultivated for thousands of years. Dianthus carves time on Ashima's land. The immortal building tells the legend of the caravan. I see ingenuity. See craftsmanship. I heard that familiar instrument music again, coming by boat from the landscape gallery, disappearing with the wind. I feel like I walked into my hometown and returned to childhood. The soul is intoxicated in the journey of the wind. I see the elf like a mother, flying into the forest with the melody, listening with my heart. I finally saw the woman playing in my dream. Originally, you've been by my side on this journey. In Yunnan, you can find more beautiful things.